Neil Robinson. The Exponents. Albums Better Never Than Late, Grassy Knoll, Prayers Be Answered, Sex and Agriculture, the very best of the Exponents, once been. Secondi. Albums In It Ep. Z. Albums Silencer, This Little Empire, Clarity, Renegade Fighter EP. James Reid. Albums The Troubling of the Water, Saint. The Feelers. Albums One World, Super System, Playground Battle, Communicate Space Cadet. The Bats. Albums Couchmaster, Daddy's Highway at the National Grid, The Law of Things, Fear of God More, The Bats 238 of 254, The Best Bands with Animal Names, 37 of 40, The Best Bands Named After Desert Animals. Bailterspace. Albums Nelsh, Bailterspace, Thermos, Robot World, Vortura, Splat. Nathan King. Albums The Crowd. Boh Runga. Scribe. Albums The Crusader, Rhyme Book, Not Many the Remix, /Stand Up, My SH*T, Not Many. Bic Runga. Albums Beautiful Collision, Birds, Anthology, Birds Special Edition, Bursting Through. Max Merritt. Albums Max Merritt and the Meteors. Anika Moa. Albums Thinking Room, Stolen Hill, In Swings the Tide, Love in Motion. Hayley Westenra. Albums Treasure, Odyssey, Pure Special Australian Edition, Paradiso, Hayley Westenra More, Hayley Westenra 175 of 198, the greatest new female vocalists of the past 10 years, 378 of 602, the best female vocalists ever, 2 of 47, the best operatic pop artists.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.